Hi! In front of me is POCO X5 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock on this device. First of all, go into Settings and scroll down to access Passwords and Security. Now tap on Face Unlock and enter your current login method. Finally, read the disclaimer, click on Start at the bottom, wait 5 seconds and choose Next in Attention pop-up. Then keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions presented on your screen. Now you can name your face data however you wish to, and when you're ready, select Done. Then adjust all of those options by tapping on all of those switchers next to them. Finally, when I switch off my screen, then switch it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. If you wish to delete it, you need to access the same Face Unlock settings. Then click on your face data, tap on Delete Face Data at the bottom, and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!